Welcome to another short demonstration video of Resolve Actions, the only platform that enables you to automate all of IT. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at how with Resolve you can provide your end users with a self-service input form that they can access and complete themselves, which will automate the creation of a new meeting room in Office 365 or Exchange Online. In this demo, we've set ourselves some high-level requirements as shown here on the screen. So first of all, enable end users to self-service the creation of meeting rooms in Office 365 or Exchange Online. The input form must be simple, intuitive, and error-proof. If inputted values aren't right, then provide feedback back to the user so that they can correct and try again. Enforce naming standards automatically wherever possible. During the automation, provide valuable feedback to the end user and not just the raw output from technical scripts and the like. Save lots of time by eliminating the need for IT engineers to be involved in these basic tasks. Ultimately, automate IT as quickly as possible. And finally, if required, incorporate an approval mechanism, probably with your ITSM tool or simply by email. Okay, let's switch over to the Resolve Actions platform. You're now viewing the front end that your end users would see. You can completely customize this page using Resolve's Page Builder by adding your own theme, text, graphics, colors, tables, charts, forms, anything like that. The main part of this page is the input form, again designed by Resolve's Form Builder wizards, which you can customize further if required. The Form Builder includes the ability to gather data using generic fields, as well as pulling data from a database, such as the countries and cities here. Field pre-validation is also a feature, such as when entering the phone number here. We can also add extra buttons to do some sort of calculation, such as this button here that merges some of these fields to create the meeting room display name. We can search Active Directory to add additional names into our system and choose whether we want the calendar to be visible, the subject to be visible, and other different options that you can have throughout creating meeting rooms in Office 365 or Exchange Online. Okay, so now that the form has been completed, let's click on the Create Room button to start the automation. While that's running, let's look behind the scenes at the actual automation. So this is the fully baked Create Meeting Room automation that ensures that a room name and display name has been successfully entered. We can also add approval into workflows as well to send an email and wait for someone to reply to that email before we can continue with the automation. We can create new Active Directory security groups and add members to those groups. And there's the action task there to create that new mailbox room. If I look at the next action task, update room mailbox basic attributes, this is where we set further details such as the room's location and phone number, etc. Okay, let's flip back to the end user view and look at how automation is progressing. Yeah, it's completed. And all the individual steps have good green traffic lights to make it quick and easy to view. You can see the meeting room's been created, the meeting room's been updated, the room capacity has been set to 1. The 2 users have been granted full access rights to the room mailbox. The visibility and calendar options have been set. Excellent. Okay, if I flip over to the Office 365 admin portal and click on the rooms and equipment and do a refresh, I can now see that the meeting room has been created with all the different values that we entered in before. Excellent. So in this demonstration, we saw how you can quickly build custom pages of text and graphics and many other components using Resolve's Page Builder. We've been able to add user input forms with field pre-validation using Resolve's Form Builder. And we've also been able to create runbooks to execute automations using Resolve's drag and drop automation designer. So referring back to the original list of high-level requirements, what did we achieve? Well, automation will improve your MTTR on a large majority of use cases not just within the service desk, but pretty much all of IT. Automation will empower your end users by providing them the service that they want when they want it, making them very happy users. Automation will also provide you with governance and reliability because it's the same automation or workflow that is running time and time again. And because we're eliminating all the duplication of effort, such as the copy and paste from the IT request ticket into another IT tool and checking that, etc., we're dramatically reducing the cost base of your IT services. Resolve has thousands of pre-built commands and pre-packaged templates so that you can practically automate any IT task within your organization, even with your custom and in-house applications. So let us at Resolve show you how easy it is to get started. Thank you very much for your time and for watching this video.